Stop.
Imagine this. It is 3 in the morning. Your room is completely dark.
Your eyes are burning, but you are still watching videos on your phone.
You know you have a big meeting at 8 in the morning, but you cannot stop.
That is the worst feeling in the world. I do this every single night.
You tell yourself, just 5 more minutes. But suddenly, the sun is coming up.
And then you feel like a zombie the next day.
Hello, friends. Ready for your daily dose of effortless English? I'm Tina.
And I'm Leo, your daily disaster.
Today we are talking about a very modern problem. It is called revenge bedtime procrastination.
That sounds like a very long and scary word. Do I need to remember it?
No, you do not. It just means you refuse to sleep because you want free time. You work hard all day, so you want your personal time back at night.
Oh, that is my everyday life. I really need this episode.
Let's look at today's menu. Phrase 1, stay up late. It means not going to bed early.
Stay up late. So I just do not sleep, right?
Yes. Phrase 2, can't help it. It means you cannot stop yourself from doing something.
Can't help it. Like when I eat a whole pizza at midnight.
Exactly. Phrase 3, hit the sack. It is a fun way to say go to bed.
Hit the sack. So I punch my bed before sleeping?
Not exactly. We will explain that later. Stick around until the end. Leo will share a terrible story. He accidentally insulted his boss using one of these phrases.
Please don't remind me. I wanted to disappear. It is hilarious but sad.
Now, let's go to our awkward theater. Picture this. Leo is in his apartment at midnight. I will play his roommate. I walk in and see him awake in the dark. Hey, Leo, why are you still awake?
Oh, I very like my phone. I want to open the light. My boss gave me too much work. He very busy.
Oh no, Leo. That just made it worse. You made 3 classic mistakes there.
Really? What did I do wrong this time?
First, you cannot say, I very like my phone. You should say, I really like my phone.
Oh, like, I really like my phone.
Yes. Second, we do not say, open the light. We say, turn on the light.
Got it. So I say, turn on the light.
Perfect. Third, you cannot say, he very busy. You need a verb. You should say, he is very busy.
So you mean, he is very busy.
Exactly. Sounds familiar? Don't worry, we've got the fix. All right, Leo, time to put it into action. Let's jump into some real-life scenes. Scene 1. You meet your neighbor in the hallway. It is a Sunday morning.
I will be the neighbor. Listen to the sound of the elevator opening. Ding!
Hey, Leo, good morning. You look terrible today. Did you not sleep last night?
I did sleep, but I chose to stay up late. I was playing video games until 4.
Wow. Why do you always stay up late on weekends? You work so hard during the week.
Because I want to enjoy my free time. If I sleep early, the weekend is over. I feel like I am losing my own life.
Okay, let's pause here. Leo, did you hear the phrase?
Yes, you said, stay up late. It means you go to bed very late, right?
Exactly. It is much better than saying, I do not sleep early.
So you mean, I stay up late to watch movies.
Perfect. You can use it for work or for fun. Wait, there is a hidden trap here. Most people fail this next situation. Scene 2. You are at a late-night snack stand. I will be your friend. You hear the sound of meat cooking on the grill. Sizzle.
This barbecue is so good, but it is so late. We are going to be fat tomorrow.
I know. I told myself no more late snacks. I said I would eat healthy food, but I just can't help it. The smell is too good, and I am always hungry after midnight.
I agree. I can't help it either. Give me another spicy chicken wing.
Okay, let's pause. What was the magic phrase here?
You said, can't help it. Does it mean you have no power to stop?
Yes, it means you know it is bad, but you do it anyway.
Oh, like, I can't help it when I see chocolate.
Exactly. It is a very natural way to make an excuse. You can also use it for feelings. Hold on. The next phrase is a secret weapon native speakers use all the time. Scene 3. You are at my house for a movie night. The movie is over. You hear the sound of people yawning.
That was a great movie. Do you want to watch another one? We can watch a scary movie.
No way. Look at the clock. It is almost midnight. I am so tired. I need to hit the sack.
Really? You want to hit the sack now? The night is still young. We can order some pizza and play a board game.
Let's pause. Leo, do you understand hit the sack now?
I think so. It just means you want to go to bed. But why do we say sack? A sack is a dirty bag.
Great question. A long time ago, mattresses were just sacks filled with hay. So hitting the sack meant lying down on your bed.
Got it. So I can say, I am tired. I will hit the sack.
Perfect. It sounds very natural and relaxed. You can use it with your friends. Now, Leo, it is time for your story. You promised to tell us how you insulted your boss.
Okay. This happened last year. My boss sent me a message at 11 at night. He asked me to finish a long report for the next day.
Oh, wow. That is very annoying. What did you say?
I wanted to say, I'm going to bed now. I wanted to use our phrase, hit the sack, but I was so tired, my brain stopped working.
Oh no. What did you type to him?
I typed, I'm going to hit you. I completely forgot the word sack. I just sent, I'm going to hit you. Good night.
You threatened to hit your boss?
Yes. He called me immediately. He was so confused and angry. I had to explain my bad English for 20 minutes. I did not sleep at all that night. I was too nervous. I just stared at the ceiling until morning.
That is definitely a daily disaster, Leo. I hope your boss forgave you. Remember the awkward moment from the start? Watch Leo do it right this time. Leo is back in his apartment at midnight. I walk in and turn on the light. Hey, Leo, why are you still awake?
Oh, I usually stay up late on weekdays. I know it is a bad habit, but I can't help it. But my eyes hurt now. I think I will hit the sack.
Wow, that was absolutely beautiful, Leo. You used all 3 phrases perfectly in one breath.
Thank you. I am a true English genius now.
Let's do a quick review for our listeners. I will say the phrase, you make a short sentence.
I am born ready. Let's go.
Phrase 1, stay up late.
I always stay up late to play computer games.
Phrase 2, can't help it.
I eat too much late-night sugar. I can't help it.
Phrase 3, hit the sack.
It is finally midnight. Time to hit the sack.
Excellent job, Leo. You are getting much better every day. You are finally learning how to speak like a real native speaker.
Thank you. I will try not to insult anyone today.
Drop your favorite phrase in the comments. We read every one. Are you a night owl? Tell us your funny late night stories. We love reading them. Next time, we'll crack another small talk myth. You won't want to miss it. Finally, don't forget our slogan, your daily dose of effortless English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Don't stay up late tonight.